Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm making butter cookies. Okay, this is very easy and simple. I'm just going to first line the parchment paper on the baking tray. Okay, just line it and just keep it aside. So after lining that, I'm just going to start with creaming my butter. I'm using topper margarine. You can use butter, any margarine or butter, anyone you like. So I'm going to just add that's sifted powdered sugar, that is icing sugar. So I'm just going to go ahead and cream this properly. You can use the mixer if you want. If you don't have mixer, you can use your turning stick. Okay, so I'm just going to cream that properly till it's fluffy. Remember to always scrape the walls of your bowl when you are creaming it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just keep creaming that, just ensure that it's well creamed very well. So that's me mixing my corn flour with my flour, my normal all purpose flour. Just mix that together and I'll start just adding that bit by bit. Okay, so I'm just going to interchangeably add the flour mixture. Okay, then when I just mix it some time, then I'll just go ahead with my egg. Okay, so for this egg, I didn't really whisk it, so I just broke the egg into the plate and that is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this properly and begin to like add my flour, mix it, that incorporate that, then add the egg just like that, bit by bit. Okay, just to make sure that everything is incorporated. So I just added my flavor there. I use vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. Okay, so just go ahead and mix that properly, ensure that everything is incorporated very well. So if you've not subscribed to my channel at this moment, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, please just go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, click on notification bell, and then share and like this video as well. So now I am through with adding everything. I'm just trying to smoothen it and ensure that everything is well incorporated and it's perfect. You can see that it's looking yummy as well. Please don't do this around kids, because trust me, they'll start eating this dough at this moment. Because the aroma and the appearance is looking yummy already. So now I'm just going to go ahead and arrange my piping bag. Okay, just like I said, you can double the piping bag so that it will not burst when you are piping this, like when you are giving it that design of your choice. So here I'm using 1M nozzle tip. So just go to baking store, ask them for 1M big size, and they were going to give you this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that into the cup just to help me do this very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop in my butter in. So I'm just going to scoop that. You can just add any size, any quantity of your choice, any size of your choice. So I'm just going to add that and get that ready. You can see how it's looking already. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel, motivate me so that I'll feel motivated. So remember our already layered baking tray. This is time for me to start just piping this any shape I want. So this is the shape I'm doing right now. So remember to preheat your oven before this, so that as you are piping, this is going straight into the oven. So we are going to bake it on low heat, and don't allow it to get burnt. Just keep checking it. I think it should be like 30 minutes depending on your oven. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and give this all the shapes, just freestyle it, like just like I'm doing. I'm just giving it any shape I want. I'm sure kids will like different shapes. They want something that is looking different. So I'm just going to go in with those chocolate chips. It's optional. You can decide to add the white one. So I'm just going to go ahead with this dark one, and voila, our cookie is ready, and trust me, the aroma is so yum and it's looking delicious as well. You can just store this in plastics or in your container and just keep it and be giving it to your kids so that they'll use it to go to school or even a snack at home. Guys, this is looking delicious. Okay, please don't stop watching the video. We still have the cookie cutter method in the front. So yeah, the cookie cutter method is in the front, so sit back and relax and enjoy this video as well. So for this, I added the chocolate chips in there, and I'm adding some my all-purpose flour and the mixture of corn flour to it, so you can try to put it in the fridge so that it will chill for some time before you start rolling it. But I'm in a hurry and I don't have the time, so I decided to just add some few flour to it just to make sure that it's still kind of stronger than, like thicker than the paper bag one. So just it's very easy. Flour your surface, roll it out, and use your cookie cutter to cut any shape of your choice. You can even invite your kids to come and help you out. It's fun and it's a time for you to bond with your kids, and as well they will cut the shape they want, the heart shape, the circle shape, all the shapes that the cookie cutter have. If you don't have this cookie cutter, you can get it in any baking shop. It's quite cheap. There are some that are 1,000 naira, there are some that are 2,000 naira, so you can just get that. It's a bonding time too with you and your kids, right? Yeah. So now I'm just freestyling the with the dough, like giving it different shapes. This is just taking my glass and just pressing it back, just making things difficult, just twisting it up like that. Okay, so just if you want to try this out, just make sure that your surface and your equipment, everything is clean. Wash it very well. So I'm just using fork to give it a design, just for it to look different. And guys, baking time, and here you have it. Ta-da! Our cookie is ready, and believe me, it's yum, it's delicious. The aroma is nice, like so tantalizing. Please subscribe to my channel and they share this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.